Hi guys, so today pag-uusapan lang natin to mabilisan itong airdrop, potential airdrop nitong si Rainbow. Isa siyang application kagaya ni MetaMask guys, no? So, andito ako sa pinaka-wallet ko. Dito sa may tab nung merong icon ng parachute. Lower right corner is that meron ditong icon. Ito guys, didiscuss lang natin na mabilisan. So, merong mga points ka na makukuha once you apply the code guys, no? So, say for example, punta tayo dito. Meron ako ditong 260 point. Ayan. So, bago tayo dito guys magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. So, for now guys, punta muna tayo dito. As we can see, meron tayo ditong 260 points. Peer, tier, or criteria dito guys, no, once you add itong pinaka-code na ito. If first time nyo lang na i-download itong app, pwede sa cellphone guys, no, ilalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na to yung official link. Kahit mobile yung gamit nyo, desktop is pwede guys, no. So you can just use yung official link natin na nakalagay sa description ng video na to. At para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online guys, no. So pwede nyong gamitin yan. So as we can see, merong next drop 6 days guys, no. So unrank pa ito kasi kailangan makakuha ng 750 points para malagay dito sa leaderboard guys. So see for example, kakagawa mo lang dito ng account. So punta muna tayo dito sa home. So ganito guys yung pinaka user interface, no. Makikita mo dito yung Ethereum. If kakagawa mo lang ng account, receive assets, QR code nung Ethereum wallet address mo or pinaka wallet address mo dito. So Ethereum, Arbitrum, OP, and other blockchain networks dito is that nandito na iisa na lang guys, no. So I tried to transfer kanina ng base Ethereum ko, napunta naman siya dito guys, no. So puntahan natin yung wallet na yon. So ito yon, at meron na dito makikita na base logo, no. Ito as we can see Ethereum tapos under base ecosystem, no. So as we can see dito, if ever man na ganito yung pinaka user interface mo, punta lang tayo dito sa may pinaka baba. So ito, try swap lang natin maybe later, pero we can just try the swap. Ito yung pinaka user interface ng swap. So say for example, meron tayo dito, tapos gusto natin i-swap sa token, and nandito yung other crypto naman guys, no. So back muna tayo dito. This is for the swap features nya. So andito naman, no, ito yung swap na to. And dito naman sa may airdrop icon or sa may parachute icon dito sa lower right corner, ito is that kung gusto mo i-generate dito yung pinaka points mo, so gamitin mo lang dito yung code. So say for example 4 and then A, H, tapos 5, 8, and then X, ayan, and then get started. And then pagkatapos niya mag-generate yung gantong user interface, sign in ka lang, ayan, and access granted. So dito guys, kailangan merong I think something like a balance, no, para mag-generate yung pinaka points, no. So magka-calculate lang siya dito. Ito is that a sample wallet lang guys, it depends pa rin yan kung magkano, kasi if merong assets, NFT yung assets mo, mas malaki yung pinaka points mo dito guys, no. Or meron kang mga swaps na ginawa sa MetaMask, is that malaki yung makukuha mo dito na pinaka points, no. So for now 100 yung nakuha natin. This is only for the welcome bonus. Tap continue ko lang to. Ayan. So after that, mag-generate siya dito ng pinaka-code. So you can just share to your friends. So skip ko lang to. Registration completed na. And we can just earn pa rin dito other options, no, by bridging, minting, and more, no. So tap done ko lang to. And yun, meron tayo dito 100 points. This is for the basic, no. Kung kaka-create mo lang ng account tapos meron kang small balance dyan, ito, it's a default 100 points, no. Pero if merong balance, meron kang NFTs, nakapag-transact, interact to other blockchains before, mas malaki yung points na makukuha mo dito guys, no. So simple as that guys. And if ever man na magkaroon to ng pinaka-governance token, karoon sila ng crypto in the future or the next coming months or so, is that we can just convert these points into crypto or into Ethereum, and that's the time na pwede nating i-convert into e-wallets or transfer to e-wallets guys, no. I'll keep you posted naman guys dito sa ating YouTube channel. May ginawa ako ditong pinaka-playlist for the potential airdrops in the future guys, no. So you can just watch yung mga videos dyan sa playlist tab. Magbibigay na lang ulit ako na ma-update sa mga videos na yan if ever na ready to convert na yung mga points na yan guys in the future, no. Maraming salamat ulit guys sa panunood. Click nyo lang tong video na to and see you sa video na yan guys, no. Yun lang for today. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.